Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this brand new tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited money in CarX Street. This is working in 2025 on iOS and Android devices, so everyone can do this, guys. You're going to get unlimited free money for CarX Street, and it is going to save you so much money, guys. This is also going to unlock everything in game, so everyone can do this using a modded app on your phone, and it's working on iOS and Android. So you need to, of course, have the game installed. If you're on iOS, make sure your low power mode is turned off because we need the background app refresh to be working. And then you need to open up the internet browser of choice. Of course, I'm using Safari. Doesn't matter which one you use. You just need an internet connection and go to this website, www.wavyplugin.com. So Wavy plugin, guys, spell it like this, WAVYPLUGIN. So this is basically a app store that I discovered. It has tons of different mods and plugins on. So you need to go to the search bar, and it's going to simplify the search for CarX Street. And as you can see, this is going to get basically this on your phone, and it's going to allow you to get unlimited money. So this is basically an unlocked version of CarX Street with everything unlocked and unlimited resources. So once this completes, guys, you're going to need to complete a device verification, but it's pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. I've already done the mods. So yeah, basically, guys, that is all you need to do. So go to Wavy plugin and search for the CarX Street mod, and that is how to do it, and it only takes a few minutes, and that is going to save you a ton of money because the resources in game are pretty expensive, as you can see. But yeah, you can get all the cars and everything unlocked. So enjoy, guys. Smash the like button if you found this video useful and you got your unlimited money, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.